My name is Alice. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Mark.
How are you?
I am good. And what about you?
I am fine. What shape is this?
This is a square shape.
What color of this square?
This square has yellow color.
What shape is this?
This is a rectangle shape.
What color of this rectangle?
This rectangle has blue color.
What shape is this?
This is a triangle shape.
What color of this triangle?
This triangle has green color.
What shape is this?
This is a circle shape.
What color of this circle?
This circle has red color.
What shape is this?
This is a oval shape.
What color of this oval?
This oval has purple color.
What shape is this?
This is a star shape.
What color of this star?
This star has orange color.
What shape and color of the sun?
Sun has circle shape and yellow color.
What color and shape is your school desk?
My school desk shape is rectangle and color is brown.
Okay, I will meet you again after weekend.
Okay, I will meet too.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye bye.